guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Stockrock. Today we have a lot of volatility in the market at the moment. We did have Nvidia come out with A+ earnings, which is great for now, but we do see a lot of selling, like Google. Google was hitting an all-time high today. You can see there's a lot of selling, and going through some of the insiders trading websites, I did see a lot of selling by executive, more selling than buying for the executives. Of course, taking some profits, which is pretty normal. But as you can see here, let me pull up Finviz. Finviz is one of those free resources that you can use if you don't have a lot of money and you really want to do some research. You can use a screener, you can do stock map, portfolio, futures, forex. I don't use all that. I really use the screener and to kind of look at insider buys, and you can go through some of the sales in the buys recently. So of course it's a little limited on what you can do with the free version, but it still does give you a lot of good information. So as you can see, I was kind of looking through some of the buys. Looks like a lot of biotech names. It's the same ticker, but I like to see, because you can see there's a lot of red going on. So a lot of fear at the moment. Roku, Cloudflare. You can go through and see how much they're selling. So it says the value, the cost. I usually look at the value to see how much they're selling, because sometimes if it's a large amount, like Figma, oh my gosh, sold 112 million, and you can see their role, general counsel and secretary. Dang, how does he have that much money? Okay, anyways, and then you can see shares total. So it looks like this guy sold out completely. Yeah, so as you can see, there's a lot of selling at the moment. Snap, that's an interesting company. I definitely want to do a video on this one. But yeah, basically the point of this video was to show you that you can look at these resources and utilize them. You can also use AI to help you find resources. So what I did was notable buybacks. You want to see if companies are buying back their shares. You can do that in the earnings. You can read through the annual report and see if they're buying back shares, which shows that management thinks the stock is undervalued. And then you can see also notable insider transactions. So you can see Jensen Huang in October was selling shares of Nvidia. So maybe you want to look at the amount, see how much you're selling, because sometimes it could be a red flag, sometimes it's just normal. Kind of like Mark Benioff regularly shares or sells shares. Zuckerberg reported sales as well. Elon Musk had actually purchased in September, so not a lot of selling going on there. Apple, not much going on there, nothing going on there. But you don't want to just rely on AI. You do want to kind of dive in and see what's actually happening. But it does get a little tricky because a lot of these type of resources do require you to pay some money. But I just kind of want to show you how you can utilize these resources to your advantage to see what's really going on. And at the moment, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of purchasing going on. I think we're kind of like at a standstill, and for the big tech names. So I'm not sure if I see a lot more upside at the moment, but if we do see some buying coming in, you will see the volume ticking up and you'll see a difference. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stock Brock. Peace.